Hello everyone, I am Tridivesh Nag and today we have come up with a new video that will give us a few tricks regarding multiplication. So we will see the multiplication of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. We will take a few cases like we will see the numbers which are above 100 but near 200. We will see some numbers which are below 100 but again near 200. Then we will see any 2-digit number and any 3-digit number. Okay, so let us start with numbers which are above 100 but close to 100. So let us take a few examples and see that how we can do the multiplications very quickly and accurately. Let's start with two numbers. One is, let us take 103 multiplied by 108. Now here we can clearly see that first digit is 100 plus 3 and the second digit is 100 plus 8. So how will we do it? We will first add either 103 plus 8 or 108 plus 3. Both the sums will be same. Okay, so we are getting 111. Take any sum whichever is convenient for you. Now next we will put a 2-digit number which is the product of 3 and 8. Okay, that is 24. So our answer will be 11124. Simple, isn't it? Let us take a few more examples. Let 105 into 113. So it is 100 plus 5 and 100 plus 13. So what we did last time, it is 105 plus 13 and 100, or we can take 113 plus 5, right? So in both the cases we are getting 118. Now what are the other two digits that we will have? I have told you that we will multiply 13 and 5, that will give us 45. So we will straight away put 45 after 118. So the answer will be 11845. Simple, right? Okay. So next let us take a few more example. Let us take another two numbers. Okay, let us take 102 into 104. This is a special case, that's why I want to show you. Here it is 100 plus 2 and 100 plus 4. So what will we do? 102 plus 4 or 104 plus 2, that will give us 106. But here you see 2 into 4 is a single digit number which is 8, but I have told you that we have to put a double digit number after the sum, right? So what will we get? What will we do here? We will put 08 instead of 8. So the answer is 10608. Okay, simple. I hope you will remember this. Okay, so now I am leaving one multiplication for you to practice. Let it be 103 into 109. So do it yourself and have the fun. Okay, it's simple and very accurate. Let us take another example. It is 112 into 115. Another special case. Here you see it is 100 plus 12 and 100 plus 15, right? So here what we will do? We will do 112 plus 15, which is equal to 127. Now 12 into 15 is how much? 12 into 15 is 180. Now it is a 3-digit number. So what to do? I have told you that we can put only 2-digit number. So we will put 80, which is a 2-digit number, straight away. Okay, and what will we do with the 1? We will add it with 7. So the answer will be 12880. Okay, let us take another example. 125 into 112. Now here it is plus 25 and plus 12. So we will do 1 25 plus 12, which is 137, right? Now 137, if you multiply 25 into 12, we will get 300. So we will put 00 and we will add 3 with 7. So the answer will be 14000. Okay. Now next we will come to numbers which are below 100 but close to 100. First let us take 97 into 92. Okay, so this is 100 minus 3 and 100 minus 8. So here as it is below 100, so what we will do, we will subtract. So it is 97 minus 8 or 92 minus 3, both the answers will be same, and it is 89. Okay, now what are the two numbers that we will put after 89? It is again 3 into 8, that is 24. So the answer will be 8924. Let us take another two numbers, 95 into 89. So it is minus 5 and minus 11. So let us do 89 minus 5, which is 84, and 11 into 5, that is 55. So it is 8455. Another example, 88 into 75. So it is minus 12 minus 25. So what will we do now? It is 75 minus 12, that will give you 63. Now 12 into 25 is 300. So again we are having a 3-digit number, so we will put 00 and we will add 3. So it is 6600. Got it? Okay. So next we will move to any 2-digit number. Okay, let us take a different case. Let us take one number above 100 and one number below 100. So let us take an example. 104 into 98. Okay, so it is plus 4 and minus 2. 100 plus 4 and 100 minus 2. One above 100 and one below 100. So what will you do? You will do the same thing. It is 104 minus 2 or 98 plus 4. So what we are getting? We are getting 102. Now what will we put? It is plus 4 into minus 2. So there we are getting minus 8. So here we will put 00 and we will subtract 8 from the number. So you will get 10192 and that will be your answer. So another example, it is 108 into 95. So it is plus 8 and minus 5. So here we can do 108 minus 5 or 95 plus 8, which will give us 103. Now we will put 00 and the product of 8 and 5 is 40. So we will subtract it from 10300 and we will get 10260. That is the answer. Okay, so it is simple. So if you have one number above 100 and one number below 100, you can do it very fast using this method. Okay, so next we will come to any 2-digit number. Let's see how we will do it. It's very interesting. Now this I am telling for any 2-digit number. Okay, let us take examples. First let us do 35 into 62. Okay, so how will we do it? 3, 5, 6, 2. First we will multiply in a vertical manner. So, it is a straight vertical line. Okay. So, vertical manner means we will start from right and we will move to left. So, it is 5 into 2, that is 10, we will put 0 and carry 1. Okay. Then we will do a cross, that is 3 into 2 plus 6 into 5. So, 3 into 2 is 6 and 6 into 5 is 30. So, it is 36 plus the carry which is 1. So, it is 37, we will put 7 and carry is 3. Now, again a vertical multiplication, that is 3 into 6, which will give us 18 plus carry 3, that is 21. So, the answer is 2170. So, it is vertical cross vertical. Okay. So, let us take another example, 42 into 53. So, first is the vertical multiplication, then the cross, then again vertical. Okay. So, 2 into 3 is 6, then cross, which is 5 into 2 10 and 4 into 3 is 12. So, it is, so we put 2 and then 4 into 5 is 20 and then we will put 22. So, that is 2226, which is the answer. Now, let us take any 3-digit number. Okay, it is very important. You can do multiplication for any 3-digit number, that we will see how. It is very easy and very convenient. So, let us take a 3-digit number 213 into 421. Okay, first I am writing it down, it is 213, then it is 421. So, first it will be a vertical multiplication, that is 3 into 1, which is 3. Then it is a cross multiplication between these two numbers and addition. So, 1 into 1 is 1 and 3 into 2 is 6. So, 6 plus 1 is 7, no carry. Now, a long cross multiplication, that is 2 into 1 plus 3 into 4 plus this vertical number. Okay, 2 into 1 is 2, 12, that is 14 plus 2 is 16, 6, carry 1. Okay. Then a small cross multiplication, that is 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 4 is 4. So, it is 8 plus carry 1, that is 9. Then a vertical multiplication, that is 2 into 4, which is 8. So, this is the answer. It is easy, right? Just remember this pattern: first vertical, then a small cross, then a big cross with vertical, then a small cross and then one vertical. You will get the answer.